Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into one of the most innovative devices on the market right now, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is Samsung's latest iteration of their flagship foldable phone, promising to blend the convenience of a smartphone with the productivity of a tablet. Let's start with the design and display. Samsung has refined the Z Fold series with a sleeker, more symmetrical exterior that resembles their Galaxy S24 Ultra. The cover screen is larger and the overall build is lighter and more durable. When unfolded, the 7.6-inch inner display is impressive, offering vibrant colors and minimal creasing thanks to improvements in the hinge mechanism. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 packs Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, optimized for Samsung's lineup. This ensures smooth performance whether you're multitasking between apps or gaming on the go. Samsung has integrated some interesting AI features, like generative AI for artistic selfies and real-time translation using both screens simultaneously. Moving on to camera quality, the Z Fold 6 maintains Samsung's high standards with a 50-megapixel main camera and an improved ultra-wide sensor for better low-light performance. While it may not match the S24 Ultra in sheer capability, it captures detailed and vibrant photos, though some competitors excel in nighttime photography. One standout feature is Flex Mode, which allows the phone to be partially bent, serving as a built-in kickstand for hands-free use. It's ideal for media consumption or video calls, enhancing the overall user experience. In terms of battery life, the Z Fold 6 is sufficient for a full day of moderate use. But there haven't been significant improvements in charging speed compared to its predecessor. This might be a consideration for heavy users who rely on quick charging capabilities. Comparing it to earlier models like the Z Fold 5, the Z Fold 6 offers incremental upgrades in design, performance, and camera quality. However, the price has also seen an increase, positioning it as a luxury device rather than a mainstream option. To wrap up, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 continues to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can achieve. It's undoubtedly one of the most advanced foldable phones on the market, perfect for those who prioritize both style and functionality. However, its high price tag and incremental upgrades might make it a tough sell for budget-conscious consumers looking for revolutionary changes. If you're someone who values innovation and doesn't mind investing in cutting-edge technology, the Z Fold 6 could be a game-changer for your mobile experience. Stay tuned for more reviews and comparisons here on Product Critique, where we dissect the latest tech to help you make informed decisions.